So it is 5:06 in the morning, and you're like, why is she up so early? Reason why? Because I'm graduating.
Hold on, Holiday. You can't give it to them dry like that. You gotta get that shit wet first, nigga. Like, come on now. You gotta prep them for shit like that. They can't just get that shit right off the top. Like, you gotta bring that shit back. Bring that shit the fuck back.
Holiday. Okay, y'all. So I just made it to, well, I think I made it to the hair shop, but I'm about to go in to get my hair done. I look crazy AF right now, but yeah. Your girl is about to go in, you know, get her hair done, and I will see y'all. I don't know. I'm gonna probably vlog a little bit while they're doing my hair. But yeah. Okay, y'all, so my hair is done. It's looking so cute. Everything is coming together. I'm about to go get my toes done really quickly. I'm about to hurry up and go inside because I don't have my AC on, and honestly it's getting hot, like super duper duper hot. So, but I'm just blessed that it's not raining today. I thought that it was gonna rain, so I'm just very happy that it's a very beautiful day. And yeah, these pictures are gonna turn out so cute. So let me go in here, get a little pedicure done, a little French tip action, and then yeah, we're gonna go get our makeup done next. officially back home. I took my pictures. I still have to go through them to see how they'll look, but yeah, I decided to turn this into a weekly, I decided to turn this into a weekly vlog. Really just because like I just feel like I didn't vlog enough for this to be a full vlog, so we're gonna turn this into a last college vlog. How about that? How does that sound? We like the sound of that? Because I know I do. So yeah, I'm gonna edit tonight, and that's about it. Oh, my camera's dying. Bye, y'all. Hello guys. It is a new day. I just left work and I am heading to a collab. So I'm collabing with a place called Senses. I guess it's kind of like an escape room type of vibes. I love collabs like this. Like, I love being able to do like the fun interactive stuff around DFW. So yeah, I'm excited for this collab. I low-key have not been vlogging much, but it's just been so darn busy. Like, it's just been go between work and obviously like these are my last couple days of I guess undergrad, so you know, between taking my pictures and finals and just all of that. So yeah, this vlog is going to be mad chaotic, but it's okay because that's really how my life feels right now. So anyways, let's go inside, let's have a little fun, and yeah, it's an escape room. Let's go. Y'all, I just did that.
Number 2, white chocolate. 3, hot Cheetos.
Okay, that was honestly a crazy experience. I cannot believe I ate a cricket. Y'all, that's crazy. That was absolutely crazy. 10 out of 10. I am about to head to Fleet Feet so that I can pick up my bib and my packet because I'm running a half marathon tomorrow. So yeah, let's go to Fleet Feet so that I can pick up my bib and stuff. Okay, y'all, it's a new day. I am about to go to a little boat party with some friends. OOTD. Yeah.
On and that, popping out, you're 6. Where's a goat? They need one. The mirror's right here, I see one. My don't know how to pay me back, so he said next head he catches a free one. What kind of clip? Extendo. What kind of switch? Not Nintendo. Y'all hanging out with friends though. They hanging out the window. What's up with gang? We back. What's in my raps? It's facts. She said she missed me, all caps. God, it ain't better than that. What's up with life? It's lit. But I know it get better than that. I know it get better than that. I know it get better than that.
Alright, hello y'all. It is a new day and I am about to go to a steak festival out in Las Colinas. So I'm gonna bring y'all with me. Here is the OOTD. I'm gonna get some better shots of my outfit once I get there. Okay guys, I am here. It's so cute. I've had a few drinks already, but they're all so yummy. The vibes are high. It's not too hot out here in Texas, so yeah, we'll see. A little something.
Hold on for a second. I got a little something to tell y'all. It goes like this. Come on, I said uptown funk you up. Well, uptown funk you up. Come on now. Come on, dance. Jump on it. Don't sit down on it. Don't freak out on it. Don't brag about your show.
Good morning. So it is 5:06 in the morning. And you're like, why is she up so early? Reason why? Because I'm graduating. It's graduation day, so I am going to start getting ready. I did my hair last night. I had my clip-ins, but then I took them out because I love clip-ins, but they require so much heat, and I'm not trying to like consistently put heat on my hair. So I took them out for like a week and a half, and then I put them back in just for today. So yeah, I did my hair last night. I am going to redo it this morning just so that I can touch up my curls and have everything looking cute. But yeah, I'm gonna start getting dressed. I gotta put my press-ons on. I got some really nice ones from the mall, so yeah, I'm gonna put those on. I'm gonna try to vlog as much of the day as possible, but it is gonna be a little bit difficult because obviously like I'm graduating, busy, you know, etc, etc. So yeah, that's that, and I'm gonna see y'all in a little bit when I start actually getting dressed. Okay, y'all, I am doing my makeup at the moment. I'm gonna try to do a quick beat. Yeah.
She made her way from nothing. Can't fault her for wanting something. She loves men that can afford. She wants to live fancy. Trips to Monaco. Designer names from head to toe. Live fancy. On planes that fly, clean across chrome and sky. Fancy, brilliant cars, spend evenings among the stars. Live fancy, diamond ring, all those things. Live fancy, live fancy, live fancy, live fancy. She spends her time aboard yachts, if not somewhere tasting wine.
Alright, y'all, so here is the final outfit. My camera ended up running out of storage while I was getting dressed, but yeah, I'm waiting in line to enter. Yeah. You know it's tea when you see them two fingers touching. Cords, all that. Okay, so we're walking to the stage, or not the stage, to the chairs right now. Yeah. Okay, we're officially about to walk in, y'all.
Congrats.
Purple Bentley, how she got it, I ain't never get to ask. I just knew that she was fine like a ticket on the dash. Yeah, but shout out to the homeowners, the girls that got diplomas and enough money to loan us a little something extra, should we ever need it. If it sounds like you, then let me hear you repeat it.
Oh, you fancy, huh? Oh, you fancy, huh? Oh, you fancy, huh? Oh, you fancy, huh? Nail done, hair done, everything did, nails done, hair done.